When you start building up your stream setup in OBS, things can get messy very quickly. You add tens to hundreds of sources, overlays or images to decorate and for different other purposes. When you need to use all of this in multiple scenes, editing just one of these sources becomes an annoying job, trust me. But don't worry, there's a solution to all of this.
I bring order to chaos.
And before we dive in, I want to thank you all for your recent trust in my videos. And of course, if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more. So first, let's talk about nested scenes, or I also like to call them templates. Nested scenes are just regular scenes you create, like this one I have here. It is called template top. They are very useful for just dumping everything inside what you need in multiple other scenes. Look at here, I've got Dixper, I've got Stream Raiders, I've got PlayStream, I've got some beavers, stickers, alert boxes, and so on and so on. If you know, head over to your main scene you're usually using, for example, live screen. You can just add this template or this nested scene like any regular other source. You just press the plus button and select scene, and then just select the scene you want to add, and then here it is. For example, my template top we have talked about earlier is just here. Everything which is placed into that scene has been added to my live screen. Also, every change I'm making to this scene is directly reflected to my live screen as well. I just edit once in this template scene, and all my other scene get this change as well. This is just saving me so much time while changing things around on my stream and on my setup. So the next thing we can also look at are groups. If you have several sources which just interact with each other or are for the same purpose, consider grouping them. In OBS 28, this is very simple. You just select multiple sources you have, right click on them, and then just say group selected items. And there you go. It's just one group. Why would you do that? For example, I have my VTuber group, which combines everything I need for my VTuber avatar and everything around it into one single group. This just cleans up your list of sources a little bit. That's all there is for today. Thank you for watching, and please, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel for more. Until then, have a great day. Bye everyone.